Dirty Imagines with your teacher. Also Dirty Imagines with your boyfriend. Most all featuring pictures. Okay, apparently this is all about One Direction. That's all that shows up. Imagine Zayn as a teacher. He'd wear a suit every day and loosen his tie. Secretly smoking in the car park. Is that what you British people call it? The car park? So when you take your kids to the park, you also take your car to the park. Only it's a separate park. He'd sit at his desk and finger you. I could stop reading there, that's fine. You told Harry that you were going to take another quick shower. After the incident with the sticky ice cream all over your chest, Harry begged to come with you. Finally, you allowed him in with you. Should have said inside you. I mean, that's what I would have done. I'd rather see Harry Styles naked. You know I can make that happen. There he is. Although he's probably not circumcised. You know, because he's British. Or maybe Photoshop him with a penis that's not mutilated. In fact, did you know that Taylor Swift is a scumbag? She wanted a guy that was circumcised, so she broke up with Harry. Can you imagine if the roles were reversed? Harry Styles breaking up with a girl because she's not mutilated? Yeah, that's how big of a scumbag Taylor Swift is. Did you also know that the only guys who jerk off with lotion are guys who are mutilated? The foreskin, which is something Harry Styles has, allows for a dude to easily jack off wherever he feels like it. No lotion required. But it's okay, we already know what type of person Taylor Swift is. He gasped, yes, F yes, and he cried slightly louder than he should have as he shot ropes of white hot. Why did you say rope? CUM is not composed of a sturdy fabric. It's more like pre-hardened frosting. Please close the door after you, Elaine. Ooh, Mr. Horan, what are you gonna do, Horan? He got his keys from his pocket and locked the door. Don't want anyone interrupting our hardcore sex session. She wrapped her legs around his waist, pressing herself tightly against him, his tongue gliding over her bottom lip. Oh, Mr. Horan! Oh! She screamed, closing her eyes to the sensation. His thrust bring her up closer and closer to the edge. She was so freaking close now, it was like he knew it. She came loudly soon, followed by him. Sex is so goofy. Definitely an A. I guarantee you that dude's banging 5 of your other classmates. Don't think you're special. Ooh, now it's Mr. Thomason. On your knees, Lewis demanded. Oh, I'm sorry, it's British, so we'll say Louis. You quickly obeyed, grabbing his D, thinking he wanted you to blow him. He grabbed your T and squished his D between them. Lewis's C squirted all over your face and T. You both collapsed, panting. Why are you panting? You were just kneeling there as someone screwed your boobs. 0 for effort. I need you to F me, like, right now. Oh, you moaned it. Okay, rewind. I need you to F me, like, right now. I could feel his tip rubbing against my entrance. You sat towards the middle of a huge bed and Austin sat right beside you. Austin Mahone! You yelled. He finally got what he wanted and he took his fingers out of you. You took a deep breath and punched him. My gosh, why'd you do that? Dear teacher, I don't really care about your lessons. I only came to school to improve my English. So have a nice future conversation with Neil, Harry, Liam, Lewis, and Zayn. Oh, Zayn, you mean the traitor? No thanks. So are you satisfied? You did One Direction as a teacher, One Direction as a boyfriend, and all the lovely pictures with them. You're very welcome.